Oh no, bad. Should have used more force. Now we're gonna go for this. Piece of cake! I don't wanna waste time because I need an answer. This is the first time I have seen, I'm not exaggerating, this is the first time I have seen something like this in this game. And this is what I'm talking about. Daniel, who does the break, I recorded this obviously, from Argentina, 2.688 billion, 95.1 percentage. How is this possible? He has won 53,000 games out of 55,000. And this is a totally legit account. This is a new invention, a new discovery in this game, I'm telling you. Let's actually watch this game. I need you people actually to discuss this in comments. I'm very serious about this. Is this possible? Man, 95.1 percentage is way too much, man. And that too on a 756 level account? How? I don't believe this, man. I personally think this is some... But I can't say he's a hacker. I can't claim he's a glitch. No one knows for sure. And I don't know why these high level players and high win percentage players always get the best breaks. I mean, maybe they're skillful. Let's see what a nice break he had. He's obviously gonna deny me. But I need to know, even if you're a YouTuber as well and you're watching this video, just discuss how is it possible that someone has 95.1 percentage. If this were a new account, I would have said maybe it's a hack and it will be banned soon. But this is a 756 level account. This exists for years, at least 1 year, and Miniclip did not ban it, so most likely this is totally legit Argentina. If this is real, this has got to be one of the most, I mean, I don't know which word to use, iconic players in the history of this game, and I'm honest about this. So Danielle, whoever you are one big... Sorry. Some people are asking me, what is this in the pool pass, maxed out, whatever, something. So these are bonus boxes, which even after you complete the pool pass, you can unlock. And I've already maxed, I've maxed them out by opening, I think, 15 boxes or something. So that's it. And it says 3. We found someone having 20 million coins finally, but the irony is he's level 90 and, okay. From Indonesia, 70% win percentage. I personally think this is not his main account. Yeah, so I will not let him, win or something. I don't say this because I want to boast. You people know it's a tradition that I don't steal people's coins if they are low on coins. So let's go for a bank shot just as the first shot. Oh, that was... I know bank shots are very bad and risky. Can I put the brown? Oh, yes. I will actually win this match. I will try to win this match. Let's do it. It's been a long while that I played and won an all-in match. And I think I can already see the win right now. It's pretty clear to me. And now I'm going to go for the orange. Very simple game, guys. There will be a bank shot on the black ball. That I can tell you. So the force and all of this queue. Not bad. Pumpkin Halloween queue is not a bad queue. Let's go for the blue. Like this. And now I can either end on the right side of the black or the left. I'm gonna end on the right side because that is easier. And see, I'm gonna go for a bank shot. Anything can happen, guys, so no guarantee. When you go for a bank shot, never it is guaranteed. It's never guaranteed. But we made the shot. Smooth denial. And now it's gonna be his break. Most likely he will also deny me. Oh, I think I'm lucky. Wait, can he? I can pretty confidently say that he cannot pot the brown ball. Yup, he cannot even touch it. Thank you. Oh, he was about to pot the black ball, but he does not. He gives me the ball in hand, so I need to be very cautious, guys. Watch this. Getting rid of this side of the table, and not only getting rid, but with cleanliness. I don't know why I use this word. There goes the green. Okay, not the perfect one, I guess. I'm gonna go for the yellow, red to the yellow, and then I will at the same time try to remove this brown ball from over here. Like this. Oh, I put two balls. Now I need to pot the orange ball, but I'm gonna go for it with a bank shot because I don't know why. Yeah, this bank shot made it easier. Now I can pot the red ball, but It's not that it was needed, you know. That was definitely an unnecessary bank shot. And again, I'm gonna go for an unnecessary bank shot in the top right pocket on this brown ball. Maybe I will get stuck. I don't get stuck. This cue has some spin. All right, let's go for the purple. Purple cannot be potted with a bank shot, right? I don't want, man. Enough. Okay, let's actually seal the deal. What am I doing? I told you this guy's surely not on his main account, so let's try a stun shot. Very nice stun shot, and we won the all-in match. I'm very happy winning all-in after such a long time. Let's open this elite box, and I'm gonna go to Venice. There's something showing me, you know, the Q collection or something. 747 level player. Oh yes, it's my break, as expected. Now, honestly, I should change the Q because this is way too less for Venice. I mean, okay, so the break at least is not bad. This is a solids game. Definitely I can bet on this thing. And I'm gonna begin by going for this shot. Oh my god, the force. Let's go for the purple. I should change the Q, man. It's still early. I'm gonna go for the green ball now. I don't know if I'm getting a feeling I will not be able to clear this table nicely. There we go. Time for the blow. This shot is gonna be risky. My heartbeat is increasing right now. Which ball to go for now? Yellow or the brown? I think yellow first. Now, I can go for the orange ball in the bottom middle pocket, but I'm bad in these shots. You people know, in middle pocket shots, I'm not very good. So I'm gonna avoid that. Oh, what a clearance. Now it's time for the orange. Step by step, step by step. But the picture is not over yet. If I don't put this black ball, all of this was in vain. It was not in vain because I'm playing the game. That was a bit arrogant to say, but it really doesn't matter if I say that to you people. I mean, I'm comfortable with you people. What a nice cover-up this was. That was again a denial. Let's check. What is this, by the way? It's showing something. Oh, I'm at 71 now. Nice, not bad. I'm gonna change the Q actually to the Archangel Q. Where's the Archangel Q? Yes, there we go. Zizou is over here. Where's he from? Egypt. Oh my god, 1.8, almost 2 trillion winnings. Okay, I'm not gonna... No, yes, I'm not gonna scratch this time. Very happy. Okay, this is a stripes game, but again, it's a challenge. Let's try to clear this table, guys. It will be actually pretty interesting for me to do this. Okay, why is he making this emote, man? I'm gonna make one as well. It's time for the orange ball. Again, I'm saying this is gonna be a nice clearance, a nice challenge for me. Be very afraid, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go for a bank shot over here. Like this. Okay, now let me see what to do. First, I think this not exactly sure. I'm just gonna should I go for a combination or not? I mean, should I go for this or the... If I'm gonna go for this, then I don't know where I'm gonna put the brown. Okay, all messed up, dude. No! Oh, did not mess up because of this back spin. It was actually not bad. I'm gonna call that pocket, man. I'm more confident with that. Superb clearance. Hit the like button right now. My denials have become better in the past week. Oh, I leveled up. 521 level. It's gonna be way too long for 600, guys. I know that pretty nicely. I'm just a bit down. I mean, I'm a bit down. I'm getting kind of headache right now, like very slightly. I might take some paracetamol or something very soon. I put 2 balls, and it's time for the brown. Now this is Sydney, which means fun table. That's it. No big deal. Okay, I thought the purple ball is gonna go inside, but it did not go in. I don't even need to mention that. I messed up. Oh, so he's trying to pot it in the bottom left, but he's gonna pot my purple. That's it. Yeah. No worries, my friend. It's time for the orange ball in the top right pocket. Bottom right pocket, sorry. Now it's time for the yellow in the top right pocket. Okay, so I can put the red in the bottom left. Why not? Alrighty, so black is over there. I was not focused on the black, but I don't need to focus because I'm just playing for fun. Alright, black. I did not think it's gonna collide with the orange ball. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paris. How many of you thought I'm gonna redo the intro? But no, this is Paris. I do the break and okay, this time my myth got busted. You know, I always say, you know, it's an illusion to my eyes that Paris breaks are always very nice, but this time that wasn't the case, I'm gonna say. But I made the game easier, I guess, with this shot. And it is time to go for the brown, orange, because that's the only ball that I can go for in this situation. No, not bad. I can go for this green, so it's okay. Let's add backspin. Hold on. Like this. Now I'm gonna go for the brown ball. I think, no, can't say this is game over, guys. Plus this is Paris. I need to do something. No, yes, nice. Unbelievable. Not gonna say unbelievable, that's gonna be an overstatement. But nice shot. That's how you do it, guys. Step by step. How many times I need to tell you people. And that's exactly how you clear a table. Oh, something sounded behind me. There you go. I'm trying to show more denials, more clearances, because I'm getting, I mean, this is like, it's kind of, I'm gonna say, exponential growth type of thing in the comment section, that people are telling me thank you, they're thanking me for the denials, why did I say that? And telling me that my way of clearing tables is helping you people to clear. So I'm more than happy for that. That's why I'm trying, because I'm over here for two things I've told you people since the past 3 years: to entertain you and to help you. That's it. That's my thing, and that's why I enjoy the most. To entertain and to help. And entertain is the videos and blah 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 blah. And yes, thank you for scratching. Helping is obviously showing you people how to increase coins yourself, because there are millions, not millions, well, hundreds of channels showing you trick shots and all. But I also show you guys trick shots, but my goal is also to help you people in your gameplay. No matter how many trick shot videos you see, that will not help you increase coins. At the end of the day, you will get entertained, but you will not be helped. I want both things on my channel, help and entertainment. So I was talking, and there goes the brown. Okay, now I was talking, so actually this was not the best clearance, but I can make it the best. Hold on, this requires some skill. Very proper force on this shot, and that's it. Oh, was it more? No, absolutely proper. This was, it could not have been better, to be honest. And it's gonna go purple. I wanna, oh no. Oh yes, it's possible. I want a bank shot on the black ball. Like this. I'm on fire, man, with the clearances today. Ruscio, I'm really sorry. But what? For getting this break that I recently learned with this fine-tuning ruler. Let's see if it works out this time, this break. I think it does. Well, one thing I'm not gonna say confidently say, but I'm scratching less on this break, so maybe I'm gonna adapt to this break in the near future. Oh no, bad. Should have used more force. Now we're gonna go for this. Piece of cake! Combination bank shot. I think I can win this game as well. That was a very nice shot. You know the reason why it was, first of all, it was a very nice shot because I made it. Okay, and second of all, it was a nice shot because, as I've told you people multiple times, a bank shot or a trick shot is 20,000 times more difficult when that's the only option you have, you know? When you're forced to go for a bank shot and you make it, it's the best thing ever. The speed with which we are clearing tables is absolutely awesome. Okay, now let's actually also go to 9-ball pool and clear a table 10 million. Now, even if I'm gonna get the break, I will do the break. It's not guaranteed that I will be able to touch the next, required ball. James, I'm playing against James from Indonesia, and let's try to go for the break. Oh, I do pot the black ball. I pot. Yes, I can. Okay, let's try to make this a 9-ball pool clearance this time. The second shot, I'm already getting greedy for bank shots, but it's not possible. I was trying to go on the right side of the blue. Okay, let's go for the red. And after the red, it's gonna be... No. Oh, I was about to scratch. Now it's time for the purple in the bottom left. Nice shot. Oh, is the 9-ball? No, it's not gonna go in. Again, remember, this is a 10 million match. That's why I'm not risking it. Should I risk it now? Who cares, man? We have won enough matches. Man, what is this face? What is this face? You need to rethink in your brain. Who are you looking at right now? Oh my god, what? This was the most arrogant moment in the history of this channel, and we're gonna seal the deal like this, and I'm gonna seal the video. What an amazing video, man, this was, I'm telling you. Because I've told people multiple times, I can feel when the video really went amazing. So I'm gonna see you all in the next video, whichever one it will be tomorrow. I'm gonna see what to do. Until then, goodbye.